So, we will release the feeling of self doubt with the EFT and build and experience the feeling of like believe in ourselves, believe in the universe, trust in ourselves. So, let's begin with the karate point. Even though I have this feeling of self doubt within me, I deeply love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though this self doubt is not happening to me, I have created it. Still, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Now, at the beginning of your eyebrows, all this feeling of self doubt within me, I release, release, release. All this emotion of self doubt I am holding on to. I choose to release, release, release. All the non-stop thoughts in my conscious or unconscious minds that keep creating this self-doubt. I release, release, release. All the beliefs within me from my past or present which are supporting this self-doubt within me. I release, release, release. All my actions which I take out of unawareness and create and enhance this self doubt in me. I release, release, release. All this drama of self doubt, I keep on doing always because it's a pattern in me. Long, long. I choose to release, release, release. All the situations in my life, in the past or present, which have created this self doubt, I release, release, release. All the experiences in my life from my past or present, which have created this self doubt within me, I release, release, release. All the people in my life in the past or the present, which creates, who had created and create this self-doubt feeling in me. I choose to accept them because they are a reflection of me, and I choose to release, release, release. If I see I have many proofs in my past throughout life where I have doubted myself, but still I was able to get through the things and do where I was doubting myself. In my childhood, when I started walking, did I trust myself instantly? Or when I started going to school, did I trust myself? Or when I started going to college, did I trust myself? Did I trust myself during my exams that I will have good marks or I will fail? I was scared, doubting myself. And even when I started cooking, when I traveled alone first time, or whenever I am going into a relationship or I was going, I always doubted myself and others, and also the situation. I may be able to do this, perform this, or get through this interview or not. So, if I see I have enough proofs, enough evidences from my past that I have doubted myself a lot. So, if I see, I was always able to get through the thing because there was also somewhere belief and trust in myself. Because of that, I could do what I was doubting myself. So now I know this self doubt right now is not because of my this job, this business, relation, or making money. It's been there as a pattern in me since my childhood. So it's a pattern. It has nothing to do with any situation, anything right now. The fact is, I enjoy doubting myself, criticizing myself, even though I have enough potential. I am enough. I am capable. I have handled my life till now very bravely, confidently, lovingly. So now I choose to trust myself and I choose to go into those memories, experiences, very small even, and relive that feeling, emotion, and belief of self trust within me so that I can make my body, my mind, my heart to believe that I trust myself and I really trust myself. That's why I'm surviving, doing everything every day. Till now, I have achieved a lot. So I choose to stay and rewire my nervous system by telling it that I trust myself. I believe in myself because I say so. And I choose to believe and live with this feeling in my body, mind, and soul. It's safe to come to the karate chop point. It's safe to trust myself. It's safe to believe in myself because somewhere the self-doubt is there to protect me. Because if I want to take some action, I don't take, I stop myself because I start doubting myself. Oh, I may not be able to do this. This is not my cup of tea. Or any action in work, relation, or maybe exercising, anything. So that is an excuse to not to do, protect myself, stay comfortable. Where I have fears, I don't feel good about doing those things. So it's safe to trust myself. I choose to tell my body, my nervous system, my subconscious, I am safe and comfortable to take actions, to trust in myself, to believe in myself. It's safe to take actions, trusting and believing in my actions, and taking from the space of belief, trust, peace within me. And I love to break this pattern every time it comes because it's my long time habit. So I choose to tell myself again and again, I trust myself, I trusted myself, and I can achieve what I want if I believe in myself. Take a deep breath, long inhale, and while exhaling, release all the feeling of doubts in your heart, anywhere in your body. It's melting away, it's already melted. with our prayer. Now it's going out, releasing, releasing, releasing. And through your root chakra, traveling down to your body, root chakra, your feet, entering into the Mother Earth and dissolving there completely. And with that, beautiful golden light from the universe entering our body with the light of bright light of trust, belief in ourselves, in the universe, in the people, in my actions, in my experiences. Fill each and every cell of the body with this strong belief, trust. It is entering into your DNA, deep cellular layers, and immerse yourself completely in this feeling. Feel how are you feeling when you are believing in yourself? How do you take actions? How do you operate every day, taking small actions or feeling about yourself? How will you achieve your goals? How easy is to achieve your goals as it was earlier? See yourself. You're taking actions with this trust, believe in yourself, strength, confidence, as if already happened what you want and you have already achieved your dreams, your dream job, your business. Everything is thriving, your health is amazing, relations are amazing, beautiful, and money is just coming from all directions. How are you feeling in that situation? You have already become the person you wanted. Retain this feeling for a few seconds. And your future version are here for you. Enjoying your life to the fullest. And slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath. And rub your hands. Create lots of energy. And put on your chakras, all the cells of our body and your heart. So, how are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? How is your trust, intensity?
It was amazing, feeling very, very light and comfortable.
Uh,
The feeling of self doubt is not there right now.
that's great. It's zero. Nice, nice.
Yeah,
And what about the heaviness in your chest? You were feeling a
yeah, it is light. It is light. It's gone.
great, great, great. Thank
It
you.
was amazing. I actually felt little sleepy also
That's
in between
okay.
because
That's okay.
it was so relaxing.
We flow into the emotions and deep, so it's okay to feel sleepy, yawning, anything. It was okay. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye. Yeah. Thank you.